Did you know that planting the wrong companion next to your strawberries could ruin your entire crop? Imagine watching your sweet juicy strawberries struggle to grow, their leaves wilting and their fruit tasting bland, all because of one simple mistake you didn't even know you were making. Sounds dramatic, right? But here's the crazy part. Some of the most common garden plants, ones you might even think are harmless, can secretly sabotage your strawberry patch. Which ones are they? And why do they wreak so much havoc? Here's the kicker. Avoiding these mistakes doesn't just save your strawberries, it actually makes them thrive, yielding sweeter fruit, healthier plants, and fewer pests. So, what are these troublemakers, and how do you spot them before they wreck your garden? Stay with me because I'm about to reveal the top 5 plants you should never grow near your strawberries, and one of them might really surprise you. Strawberries are a delicate crop that thrives when planted with the right companions, but when paired with the wrong plants they can suffer greatly. Let's break down the 5 plants you should never plant near strawberries and why they're such bad neighbors. Did you know that cabbage and other brassicas like broccoli, cauliflower, and kale can harm your strawberries if planted nearby? It's true. These plants are heavy feeders, just like strawberries. That means they compete fiercely for the same soil nutrients, leaving your strawberries undernourished and struggling to grow. Think of it like 2 kids fighting over the same snack. Someone's going to miss out, and in this case, it's your strawberries. But the competition doesn't stop there. Brassicas release natural compounds into the soil that can slow down or even stunt the growth of nearby plants, including strawberries. It's a bit like passive-aggressive gardening sabotage. On top of that, cabbage and its relatives don't offer any protective benefits to strawberries. In fact, they can attract pests like aphids and cabbage loopers, which won't hesitate to hop over to your strawberry plants for a snack. For a healthier, more productive strawberry patch, avoid planting these nutrient-hungry brassicas nearby. Instead, choose companions like spinach, lettuce, or onions, which play nicely with strawberries and even help improve their growth. By keeping brassicas out of the equation, you'll give your strawberries the space and resources they need to flourish. Tomatoes might seem like a harmless addition to your garden, but when it comes to strawberries, they're a recipe for trouble. Why? First, strawberries and tomatoes are both prone to soil-borne diseases like verticillium wilt. If one plant gets infected, the other is almost guaranteed to follow. It's like putting 2 sick kids in the same room. Things can spiral out of control quickly, but that's not all. Tomatoes and strawberries also attract similar pests, such as nematodes and spider mites. Planting them side by side is like rolling out a buffet for these destructive critters, making it easier for them to hop from one plant to the next. This double whammy of pests and disease can leave your strawberries weak, stressed, and less productive. Tomatoes are also nutrient hogs. They require a lot of the same nutrients that strawberries need, which means your strawberries could end up starved for essentials like potassium and nitrogen. For a thriving strawberry patch, keep tomatoes at a distance. Instead, opt for companion plants like marigolds, which repel pests and promote growth. By steering clear of tomatoes near your strawberries, you'll avoid unnecessary risks and enjoy a healthier, more fruitful harvest. Potatoes may be a garden staple, but planting them near strawberries is a big no-no. Why? The main culprit is a shared vulnerability to a devastating disease, blight. Late blight, in particular, spreads quickly in moist conditions, attacking both potatoes and strawberries with equal ferocity. Once it sets in, it can decimate your crop, leaving you with shriveled potatoes and struggling strawberries. But the trouble doesn't end there. Potatoes have an extensive underground root system that can interfere with your strawberries' shallow roots. This competition for space and nutrients can stress your strawberries, leaving them underfed and unable to produce their signature sweet fruit. Think of it as a turf war underground, and your strawberries are at a clear disadvantage. Potatoes are also notorious for attracting pests like wireworms and Colorado potato beetles, which can spread to your strawberries. These insects can damage your plants and further hinder their growth. For a thriving garden, give potatoes their own designated space far away from your strawberries. Instead, consider companion plants like borage or beans that can help strawberries grow better. By keeping potatoes and strawberries apart, you'll ensure both crops stay healthy, productive, and free from unnecessary risks. Mint is a fragrant and versatile herb, but when it comes to strawberries, it's more trouble than it's worth. Why? Mint is incredibly invasive. It spreads rapidly through underground runners, quickly taking over garden space and outcompeting nearby plants for nutrients and water. Your strawberries, with their shallow and delicate roots, can't keep up with mint's aggressive growth. Before you know it, your strawberry patch can be overrun, and harvesting those sweet berries becomes a tangled nightmare. Another issue with mint is its dense, bushy growth. While this might look lush in a garden, it creates shade and crowds your strawberries, depriving them of the sunlight they need to thrive. Strawberries are sun-loving plants, and without enough light, they won't produce the vibrant, juicy fruit you're hoping for. Additionally, mint doesn't offer any benefits to strawberries. It doesn't repel pests that bother them or improve their soil conditions. In fact, its invasive nature can make it harder to manage your garden overall. If you love mint, consider growing it in its own container or a separate, well-contained garden area. By keeping mint away from strawberries, you'll give your berries the space, light, and nutrients they need to grow healthy and delicious. Fennel might be a striking and aromatic plant, but it's not a good neighbor for strawberries, or for most other garden plants. The main issue lies in fennel's allelopathic properties. This means fennel releases chemical compounds into the soil that can inhibit the growth of nearby plants, including strawberries. Think of it as fennel claiming its territory by subtly sabotaging anything growing too close. Strawberries are especially sensitive to these chemicals. When planted near fennel, their growth can slow significantly, and their fruit production may drop. You might even notice your strawberry plants looking stunted or unhealthy without any clear pest or disease problem. It's likely fennel to blame. Fennel also competes aggressively for nutrients in the soil. Strawberries, with their more delicate root systems, can struggle to access the resources they need when planted near this heavy feeder. The result? Weak plants and a disappointing harvest. If you love growing fennel, the best approach is to give it its own dedicated space, far from your strawberries. Better yet, consider planting fennel in a container to keep its growth and influence contained. By keeping these two plants separate, you'll ensure your strawberries thrive and reward you with a bountiful crop. You might be wondering, why do some plants get along while others don't? It all comes down to competition for resources, pest attraction, and chemical interactions in the soil. Strawberries have specific needs, including nutrient-rich soil, adequate sunlight, and plenty of room to grow. Plants that compete for these same resources or introduce harmful elements disrupt the delicate balance strawberries need to thrive. As a rule of thumb, always pair strawberries with compatible plants like lettuce, spinach, or marigolds. These companions not only coexist peacefully, but can also provide benefits like pest control and improved soil health. Avoiding these 5 plants, cabbage, tomatoes, potatoes, mint, and fennel, can make the difference between a struggling garden and a thriving strawberry patch. By choosing the right companions, you'll not only protect your strawberries from pests and disease, but also give them the ideal conditions to grow sweet, healthy fruit. So before you start planting, take a moment to plan your garden carefully. It's the simplest way to avoid costly mistakes and enjoy a bountiful harvest. And there you have it, 5 plants you should avoid planting with strawberries if you want a thriving, fruitful garden. By steering clear of these common mistakes, your strawberry plants will have the space, nutrients, and health they need to grow beautifully. If you found this video helpful, why not dive even deeper into companion planting? Check out our other videos like Top 7 Companion Plants That Keep Pests Away Naturally, or Unusual Companion Planting Combos You Haven't Tried Yet. You'll find plenty of tips to keep your garden flourishing. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss more tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content like this, and we truly appreciate it. Thanks for spending your time with us today, and we'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore even more ways to help your garden grow. Happy gardening!